Meaning of happy.
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 Happy. The word happy refers to a feeling of joy, contentment, or satisfaction. It implies a sense of well-being and positivity, often accompanied by a smile or laughter. Happiness can come from a variety of sources, such as personal achievements, strong relationships, or simply being in a pleasant environment. While happiness is subjective and can vary from person to person, it is generally viewed as a desirable state of mind and a key component of overall life satisfaction. Cultivating happiness can lead to increased motivation, resilience, and positive mental health.